So, in this video I'm going to talk about Venn diagrams. I saw a lot of machines struggling with Venn diagram problems, so I thought maybe I'll do a video for this. And so be sure to watch till the very end. So, basics. In the Venn diagrams, we'll have a box like this, and then we'll usually have two circles, sometimes three circles. And one of the circles will be denoted by letter A, the other one with the B. Sometimes it's C and D, but it works the same way. So, circle A is this entire circle, and circle B is the entire circle that you see here. So, there are two notations, intersect and union. Let me write here. This notation, upside U, is intersect. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, I hope you can. So, U like this is union. And so the way it works is intersect means both, union means at least once. What does it mean? I'll show you in a second. So write this down, please. This is both, this is at least one. Okay, so now, first of all, question 1. A intersect B. Where do they intersect? They intersect exactly in the middle. This is the A intersect B. What about A union B? If I change this to question 2, A union B. A union B is the entire thing in A or B. A or B. Okay, so at least one of them. So what I mean by this is at least one of them is shaded. But this is the basic. It gets a bit more difficult when it comes to not A and not B. So question number 3 is gonna look like this. Not A intersect with not B. And the way to do this is what I call the two-step process. You're gonna draw the two Venn diagrams. One here and one on the right hand side. For each one of these Venn diagrams, for the left one, we're gonna shade the A knot. This one will be not A knot, doesn't matter. This one will highlight the not B. Okay. Let's draw the two circles. Two circles like this, like this. Okay. Circle on the left is A, this is B, this is A, and this is B. So, not A is everything outside of A. I'm gonna shade it here. Everything outside of A is everything here, and everything outside of B is not B, so it's gonna look like this. Okay, not A and not B, and then we're gonna combine using the intersect. So where do they intersect? Let's have a look. Do they intersect in the middle? No. Do they intersect at this side? No, because this is not shaded, but this is shaded. But since one of them is not shaded, then they do not intersect there. Do they intersect on this side of the diagram? No, they don't. No, they only intersect outside of the two circles. So the result will be basically like this, outside of the two circles. Okay? This is the result. Not A intersect with not B. Now, next question, how about this? Not A union not B. This question was not A intersect not B, and I'm gonna change this up a bit to not A union not B. You will do the same procedure. Two-step process, so the two Venn diagrams, just like this. Two circles in each Venn diagram. AB, AB. So not A, let's shade first of all, not A. Oh, I shouldn't have erased this, by the way. It's the same thing. Not A is everything outside of A here. Right? That makes sense? And not B, everything that's outside of B. Hopefully it's making sense. I hope you can see this. Yeah. Not A and not B. And then we're gonna combine this using the union sign, union notation. Union means at least one. I should add here shaded. So what this means is the following. So, at least one. In the middle, in the very middle, none of them is shaded. So at least one is not satisfied. How about here? On this side, yes. At least one of them is shaded. Even if this one is not shaded, on this diagram we'll have it shaded. So first of all, let's shade this part, okay? Do we shade this part? Yes, we do, because on this diagram it's shaded, on this diagram it's not shaded, but at least one means that we will also need to shade this part. We do not shade the middle. Do we shade the outside of the two circles? Yes, we do, because here it's shaded, right? So the answer is like this, and this diagram is basically not A union not B. Okay, not A union not B. Sometimes you might call it A not union B not. Okay, so one last example on Venn diagram, and we'll call it here. So example like this. How about this? Question 5, right? A intersect not B. Now A intersect not B. We'll do the two-step process again. So draw the two Venn diagrams. Now you might ask, is there a faster way? Yes, there is, but this is more detailed, and I recommend you to do step by step. Later on you'll realize faster ways, but if you are new to this topic, then this is the best way to think about this. Okay, two circles, A and B, A and B. So on the left diagram, I'm gonna highlight the A, okay, A, and then on this diagram, I will highlight the not B. Okay, A is this circle. Okay, not B is everything outside of the B. So I'm gonna shade everything that is outside of the circle B, just like this, okay? And then we're gonna combine these two diagrams into one diagram using the intersect. Intersect means both. So where on these two graphs, both of the graphs are shaded, both of the diagrams are shaded. Is it outside the two circles? No, because here it's not shaded. Is it in the middle? No, because in the middle here it's not shaded. Is it on this side? No, absolutely no, because it's not shaded. It's only, as you can see already, the answer will be basically this side, because it's shaded. This one is shaded on the two diagrams. So the answer is, this is A intersect not B. Okay, A intersect not B is this diagram. By the way, circle A is this circle, A is this circle, and B is the right circle, and everywhere it's like that. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Leave me in comments below if you got any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I need your like. Please put the thumbs up button. It will help me a lot. And with that being said, subscribe to my channel, please, if you would like to see more of this content. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next video.